Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we have something special for all our fellow printing business owners out there. We're excited to share a fantastic free design pack that's perfect for the upcoming summer season and also includes some inspiring Bible verses. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful tips, free resources, and business insights. Now, let's get started. All right, let's jump onto the computer and take a look at this incredible design pack. Here it is, our free summer and Bible verse design pack. You can find the download link in the description below. Just click on it to access your free goodies. As you can see, we've curated a beautiful collection of summer-themed designs, perfect for a variety of print materials. Whether you run a t-shirt printing business, create posters, or design greeting cards. These graphics are versatile and eye-catching. Quick tip: when printing, make sure to use high-quality materials for the best results. And don't forget to promote these new designs on your social media channels to attract more customers. That's it for today's video. If you found this design pack helpful, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching and happy printing!